start with, I'm using a Mars Pearl eyeshadow palette and the shade is bronze brown. This I've got from Flipkart recently and I'm gonna put the link in the description box. So I'm using a blending brush here. First I'm gonna apply it to my eyelid and then I will apply it to my crease. Next I would take another shade which is light maroon and I'm gonna do the same to the first eye. So here I would be using altogether 3 different shades. The next one is a pinkish red, you can say. That is also a pearl eyeshadow. All the eyeshadows that I've used are pearl eyeshadows. They've got glitter in it. So I'm blending it using with the same brush. For highlighting my inner corner area, I'm using a yellow or a snow white, you can say, and I'm going to use this later to my cupid area and also to the nose area. For foundation, I'm using Lakme Absolute foundation and I'm using a beauty blender to blend it on my face. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Dream Lumi Concealer. This is in the shade Honey and I will be using Beauty Blender to blend it under the eye area. In order to set my foundation, concealer and the whole eye makeup, I'm using L'Oreal Matte Magic Face Powder. This really helps in setting the complete makeup and gives a perfect matte finishing look. For my eyeliner, I'm using Music Flower Gel Eyeliner. This retails for 185 rupees. You can get it in Amazon. This is Lakme Iconic Mascara. First, I would be applying to the upper lashes and then I'll be doing the same to the lower lashes. To fill my brows, I'm using Music Flower Gel Liner. This is in the shade brown and I'm using an angle brush in order to fill my brows. For blush, I'm using Maybelline Color Blush in the shade Rose Pink and I'm using a fluffy brush in order to blend it on my skin. First, I would be doing to the right cheekbones and then to the left cheekbones. And this shade is really a very warm light pink color. You can use it for a daily makeup as well. I mostly prefer this for the daily routine or the daily makeup which you can do in a very quick manner. Next, I was highlighting my cupid area and my nose area with the same highlighter. For my lips, I'm using Huda Beauty First Copy Lipstick. This has got a stick, so I'm using the same stick in order to apply it to my upper lip and the lower lip. This is the finished look, guys. Do let me know if you really like the video in the comment section. Kavyanjali had asked me how to apply eyeliner, so I'll be doing a separate video and you all guys can also watch it. And if you really like the video, please like, share and also subscribe my channel if you're watching my videos for the first time. With the same makeup, I tried a second look with a pony. Thank you so much for watching this video.